Hello, everyone. I am Mike. Welcome back to our English conversation practice.
Hi, everyone. I am Aliza. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Today's lesson is very special.
Yes, today we will learn how to train our brain to speak in English.
Many people say, I can understand English, but I can't speak.
Do you feel the same?
If your answer is yes, don't worry.
You are not alone.
Thousands of people feel the same way.
And today we will practice together.
We will use easy English.
We will speak slowly.
We will repeat important sentences.
And we will have fun together.
Before we begin, please like this video if you enjoy learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe because we upload easy English conversations every week.
Are you ready?
We are ready.
Great. Let's begin.
Mike, can I ask you something?
Of course, Aliza. Ask me anything.
Why is speaking English so difficult for many people?
That's a great question.
I hear this question all the time.
I think the biggest reason is fear.
Fear?
Yes, many people are afraid of making mistakes.
Oh, yes, I know that feeling.
They think, what if my English is bad?
Or what if people laugh at me?
Exactly.
But making mistakes is normal.
Very normal.
Even children make mistakes when they learn their first language.
That's right.
So why should English be different?
It shouldn't.
We should not be afraid.
We should practice.
Practice every day.
Even 5 minutes can help.
5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour only once a week.
That's true.
Small steps become big success.
I like that.
Me too.
Today, I want everyone to remember one important sentence.
Yes, this sentence can really help you.
Listen carefully.
Ready?
Don't translate think in English.
Again.
Don't translate think in English.
One more time.
Don't translate think in English.
Excellent.
Aliza, what does that mean?
It means we should stop translating every word into our own language.
Exactly.
Instead, we should make simple thoughts in English.
Very simple thoughts.
Like when you wake up.
Yes.
You can say, "Good morning."
I am awake.
I am happy.
I am sleepy.
That's me every morning.
Me too.
Let's imagine something.
Okay.
You wake up in the morning.
What do you see?
A bed.
A pillow.
A window.
The sun.
Now think in English.
The sun is bright.
It is a beautiful morning.
I need breakfast.
I need coffee.
Or maybe tea.
Yes, tea is great.
See? These are very easy sentences.
And your brain starts thinking in English.
Aliza, what happens if we only study grammar? What do you think?
Grammar is important.
Yes.
But grammar alone is not enough.
Exactly.
You must speak.
You must listen.
You must repeat.
You must practice.
Practice makes progress.
I love that sentence.
Let's repeat it.
Practice makes progress.
Again.
Practice makes progress.
One more time.
Practice makes progress.
Wonderful.
Now let's do a small speaking exercise.
Everyone, answer after us.
What is your name?
Say your name out loud.
Don't be shy.
Great.
Where are you from?
Answer in English.
Very nice.
Now?
What is your favorite food?
I wonder what everyone will say.
I love pizza.
Really?
Yes.
I love pasta.
That's delicious.
Now tell us your favorite food.
Say it loudly.
Excellent.
Here's another secret.
Oh, I like secrets.
Talk to yourself.
Really?
Yes.
Isn't that funny?
Maybe a little.
But it works.
Imagine you're making breakfast.
You can say,
I am cooking eggs.
I am making tea.
The food smells good.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
Breakfast is ready.
That's easy and useful.
Very useful.
Let's go to the kitchen.
Okay.
What do you see?
A table.
A chair.
A spoon.
A fork.
A knife.
A cup.
A plate.
Now make sentences.
This is my cup.
The plate is clean.
The spoon is small.
The table is big.
See?
You don't need difficult words.
Simple English is powerful.
Very powerful.
Mike, can I ask another question?
Of course.
What if I forget words while speaking?
That happens to everyone.
Even you?
Yes.
Really?
Of course.
I thought teachers never forgot words.
Teachers are human too.
That's true.
If you forget a word, don't stop.
Keep speaking.
Use another simple word.
That's a smart idea.
Communication is more important than perfect English.
Exactly.
Let's play a quick game.
Yay!
I'll say one word,
And we make a sentence.
apple.
I eat an apple every day.
Nice.
Book.
This book is interesting.
Dog.
The dog is very friendly.
Water.
I drink water every morning.
Perfect.
Now it's your turn.
Listen carefully.
School,
Make a sentence.
family,
Make another sentence.
friend.
One more sentence.
Amazing.
You are doing great.
Now let's practice feelings.
Repeat after us.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am excited.
I am excited.
I am ready.
I am ready.
Very good.
Let's say them one more time.
I am happy.
I am tired.
I am hungry.
I am excited.
I am ready.
Excellent.
Aliza, learning English is not a race.
That's true.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
Some people learn quickly,
Some people need more time.
and that's okay.
The important thing is to keep going.
Never stop practicing.
Even 10 minutes a day can change your English.
Slowly.
Step by step.
Day by day.
Your brain becomes stronger.
Your confidence becomes stronger too.
And one day,
You will speak English naturally.
that day is coming.
Keep believing in yourself.
We believe in you.
And we will continue practicing together in part 2.
There are more fun exercises, real conversations, and speaking practice waiting for you.
So don't miss part 2.
See you there.
Bye for now.
Welcome back, everyone.
Hi again. We're so happy you're still here.
If you finished part 1, great job.
Yes, you are already training your brain to think in English.
Now let's continue.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Mike, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Many people say, I know English, but when I meet someone, my mind becomes blank.
That happens to many people
Why does it happen?
because they practice only in their heads,
Hmm.
but they don't practice speaking out loud.
So our brain needs speaking practice,
Exactly.
just like going to the gym.
Yes.
The more you practice,
The stronger you become.
I like that example.
Me too.
Let's imagine something.
Okay.
You walk into a coffee shop.
What can you say?
Hello?
Good morning.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Very simple.
But very useful.
You don't need difficult words.
Simple English works.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Excellent.
Mike, can I tell you something funny?
Of course.
One day I wanted to say I'm hungry,
Okay.
but I accidentally said I'm angry.
Oh no.
The waiter looked very worried.
I can imagine that.
Then I said, no, I'm hungry.
Did everyone laugh?
Yes, everyone laughed.
That's a great story.
And I never forgot those 2 words again.
See? Mistakes help us learn. Let's practice daily questions.
Answer them out loud.
What time do you wake up?
Say your answer.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Great.
What do you do every morning?
Wonderful.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
Nice answer.
What is your favorite fruit?
Excellent. Mike, what do you do every morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Then what?
I drink a glass of water.
Good habit.
Then I make breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Eggs and toast.
Sounds delicious.
What about you?
I usually eat fruit and yogurt.
That's healthy.
Thank you.
Here's another tip.
We're listening.
Describe everything around you in English.
Even simple things?
Yes.
For example,
The door is open.
the window is clean.
My phone is on the table.
The sky is blue.
That's enough.
Your brain loves simple practice.
Let's play another game.
Yay!
I will ask fast questions.
and you answer quickly.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Summer or winter?
Summer.
Pizza or burgers?
Oh, that's difficult.
Come on.
Pizza.
Great choice.
Everyone watching.
Answer those questions too.
Tea or coffee?
Cats or dogs?
Morning or night?
Books or movies?
We hope you're speaking with us.
Aliza, do you know the biggest secret?
Tell me.
Confidence comes from practice.
Not from waiting.
Exactly.
Many people wait until their English is perfect.
But that day never comes.
So start speaking today.
Even if your English is simple.
Simple English is beautiful.
Simple English is useful.
Let's repeat an important sentence.
Ready?
I can speak English.
Again.
I can speak English.
One more time.
I can speak English.
Very good.
Now another one.
I am improving every day.
Again.
I am improving every day.
Again.
I am improving every day.
Excellent.
Mike has a challenge for everyone.
Oh, a challenge.
Today, speak English for 5 minutes.
Tomorrow, speak for 6 minutes.
Next week, speak for 10 minutes.
Little by little.
Your brain will become faster.
And speaking will feel easier. Mike,
Yes?
what if someone laughs at my English?
Don't stop.
Really?
Really?
Why?
Because you are learning.
That's true.
Every person who speaks English today was once a beginner.
I never thought about that.
Everyone starts somewhere.
That's encouraging.
So keep going.
Let's imagine you're traveling.
Okay?
You need help.
What can you say?
Excuse me.
Can you help me?
Where is the bus station?
Thank you very much.
Very easy.
Very useful. Now let's practice shopping.
Repeat after us.
How much is this?
How much is this?
I like this shirt.
I like this shirt.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great job.
Mike, I'm feeling happy.
Why?
Because we're speaking so much English today.
That's true.
Practice feels good.
Yes, it does.
The more we speak,
The easier it becomes. Before we finish, let's repeat our favorite sentence.
everyone say it with us.
Don't translate.
Don't translate.
Think in English.
Again,
Don't translate.
don't translate.
Think in English.
One last time.
Don't translate.
Don't translate.
Think in English.
Fantastic.
We have one more practice.
Repeat after us.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I will practice every day.
I will practice every day.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I can speak English.
I can speak English.
Amazing. Today you listened.
Today you spoke.
Today you practiced.
And today you became better than yesterday.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
Keep believing in yourself.
We know you can do it.
Thank you so much for learning English with us today.
We really enjoyed spending this time with you.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video.
And subscribe for more easy English conversation practice every week.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite meal?
and answer in English.
We can't wait to read your comments.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
Keep speaking English.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.